how to create student report on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create student report on Microsoft Word easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Microsoft Word. Now on this page you will find many options. Go to the search bar and search for student report. Now here you will find many student report templates. Choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. I love this design. Click on create, and here you will find the report template is ready for you just to edit. All you have to do to edit, click and change the name. Anything here can be changed from the photo to the text, as you can see. And after you finish, go to the top corner and click save. It's very easy. Try it and I'm sure you will succeed. Good luck guys. Thank you so much for watching.